Hello everyone. So today we're going to discuss about the uses of internet and communication technologies. So first in web page. So web page make use of the World Wide Web to convey information in the form of a combination of text, graphics, animation, and video. A number of related web page link together to form a website. Every web page has an address or uniform resource locator or DURL which allows the user's web browser to locate the web page. So, when searching for the website of a particular organization or business, the user will normally be directed first to that organization's homepage. So, this contains basic information about the organization and a number of links to other web pages within the website, which can provide detailed information about the location of the business premises. So, the easiest way for a business owner to get onto the internet is to rely on an internet service provider or the ISP. So, it is an organization that connects a customer to the internet via satellite, wireless, or superfast broadband. So, the ISP usually charge a monthly fee for this service. So, a web page, it is a foundation of blocks of the internet, serve as a digital storefronts, news outlets, and educational platforms. So, they provide a wealth of information from a personal blogs to government websites. So, however, the ease of creating web pages can also lead to the proliferation of misinformation and scam. So next is a podcast. So podcast involves the distribution of digital audio video files over the internet. So as a general rule, a podcast is directed to a number of users who subscribes to that particular podcasting service and who receive regular updates. The main use of a podcast for a business is for marketing and advertising purposes. So many independent podcasters sell advertising time the same way as a commercial radio stations. If a particular podcast is aimed at the same audience as the target customer of a business, podcast advertising can be a very effective way of reaching those customers. So for example, as a sporting goods store, we choose to advertise through a podcaster aiming as triathletes. A specialist food store owner could look at advertising on a podcast aimed at vegetarians and vegans. So, a audio podcast is an audio broadcast available online have gained immense popularity, offering diverse content on various topics from news, interviews to storytelling and comedy. So next is the SMS or the short message service. It is a means by which text messages can be sent between mobile phones. If a business has employees such as sales representatives who are regularly away from the business premises, text messages are convenient and cheap way for communication to occur between these employees and the sales representatives who are regularly away from the business premises. Text messages are convenient and cheap way for communication to occur between these employees and the business owner of a or a manager. Some SMS has a distinct advantage over email in that messages are delivered automatically to one or more recipients without the need for them to dial or log on. Text messages can also be used to alert regular customers of any special deals and offer and notify suppliers of the arrival of goods shipment. Next is the blogs. The word blog is an abbreviation of weblog and, and refers to an online diary or journal. So it is usually possible to add comments, ask questions, provide feedback or opinions in a blog. A business can use blogs in a number of ways. An internal blog can be established in the business intranet so that there is easy communication within the business, encouraging employee participation in decision making, allowing good ideas to be shared. So many businesses also set up external blogs which allow for communication between the business and its existing and potential customers and suppliers. A blog of this type can be used to announce new products or changes in trading hours and to gather feedback and comments from a variety of stakeholders. As a public relations exercise, an external blog can have the following advantage for a business. So first, it allows the business owner and employees to establish a reputation for expertise by providing detailed information on products and services. Next is new ideas for products and services can be put to the public to gain comment and feedback. And last, a blog is by its nature informal, so it can present a human face to the public and build trust with customers. Then last is the Web 2.0. So the term 2.0, Web 2.0 refers to the transformation of the World Wide Web into a more creative and interactive platform for information sharing rather just a means of retrieving information. So the development of social networking sites such as MySpace and Facebook, video sharing sites such as YouTube, and information sharing such as Wikipedia have made it easier for individuals and organizations to create and share many different types of content on the web. So, just as businesses can make use of blogs to enhance their relationship with stakeholders, so networking and sharing images and information can provide a powerful public relation tool. The key benefit is a low cost. Rather than hire a web page designer, the technology allows an amateur to upload home video footage, photographs, and other graphics onto a networking site where it can be viewed by existing and potential customers. So networking sites also accept paid advertising, linked to the site's search engine, and so can be used as a marketing device. So next is the telecommunications and information technologies make the business. So before wires and virtual networks transmitted communications, there were smoke signals, drums, and carrier pigeons. Fortunately, technology has come a long way since then to the point where it's impossible to overstate the significance of telecommunications technology to any business, especially as it relates to growing the capacity of businesses. From telephones, facsimile, television, internet, and the vast array of a private networks, telecommunications technology is like your firm's central nervous system. So without it, a business couldn't compete or survive in the nation's information services dependent economy, making it one of the most important investment you'll make as you build your business. Telecommunications technology has many rules, including transmitting information, providing efficiency and productivity, and helping business expand. So, telecommunications encompasses a wide range of tools and systems that enable communication over distance. Telephones, the most familiar form of telecommunications, have evolved from landline system to mobile devices with advanced features like texting, video calling, and internet access. So, this advancement have transformed how businesses interact with customers, employees, and partners, fostering more efficient and effective communication. So first is the telecommunications technology. The telecommunications come from the Greek word meaning far off and information exchange. All telecommunication systems have four primary elements. In practice, they get quite complicated. The basic include transmitter, a signal, transmission medium, and a receiver. Telecommunications technology has changed dramatically over the past century. So, before the internet and data networks, the technology primarily surrounded the telephone, which is voice communication exchange over distance. Early telecommunication built from telephone technology, including faxing. However, foiled by advances in semiconductors, analog communications like the telephone have been replaced by digital communications. Data, whether voice, information, or images, is represented by bit streams and carried across a common infrastructure, which you might know as the Internet Protocol or NAP, and can be transported over wired cable, microwave, satellite, or broadband fibers. So next is the transmit data. Perhaps the most important rule of telecommunication is fulfilling its most basic of transmitting data. The technology includes telephony and video conferencing, facsimile, broadcast and interactive television, instant messaging, email, distributed electronic collaboration, a host of web and internet-based communication and data transmission. It transmits stores intellectual property and it also comprises the means through which you connect to your partners, suppliers, and customers. The technology allows your firm to gather, collate, analyze, share, and act on information in a variety of ways that ultimately bear on your bottom line. So, So the data transmission, the transfer of information from one point to another is another critical aspect of telecommunications. The internet, a vast network of interconnected computers, has revolutionized data transmission, allowing businesses to access and share information globally. Email, instant messaging, and cloud computing have become essential tools for businesses, streamlining operations and enhancing collaboration.
Reach more customers. Arguably, the greatest contribution of telecommunication technology is its empowering firms to reach more customers with fewer resources and manpower. So, reaching more customers means using strategies to expand a business audience and attract new buyers. This can include digital marketing, social media, SEO, and targeted advertising to increase visibility. The goal is to connect with potential customers, increase brand awareness, and drive sales growth. Customer service is the support and assistance provided to customers before purchase of a product or service. It involves addressing inquiries, solving issues, and ensuring a positive experience to build satisfaction and loyalty. Effective customer service helps business maintain strong relationship with customers, enhance brand reputation, and can lead to repeat business and referrals. How does technology improve business? So then back to how business was done a few decades ago. There was no email, internet, mobile marketing, telecommunicating, or smartphone. Now communication are instantaneous. Huge amount of information move through email and the internet, and the manpower tools are in the hands of owners and employee. So technology improve business by boosting efficiency, enhancing communication, and enabling data-driven decision making. It, it automates tasks, support remote works, and provides tools for better customer service and innovation. This helps business save time, reduce cost, and stay competitive in a fast changing marketing.